Ever stepped into bright sunlight and suddenly had to sneeze? That's not an allergy, it's called the photic sneeze reflex. In some people, bright light activates the optic nerve in the eyes, but the signal accidentally crosses with the trigeminal nerve, which controls your nose. Your brain gets confused and triggers a sneeze response. It's basically a tiny wiring glitch between vision and sensation. Around 20 to 30% of people have this, and it's actually genetic. So if sunlight makes you sneeze, your brain is just slightly miswired. Subscribe for more hidden science facts.